What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. You saw what we're cooking and it is gonna be good. I'm telling you right now. We got some shrimp, some margarita shrimp, and yeah, let's just check out these ingredients and get it going. So we got 2 pounds of shrimp right here, and we got some cilantro, tomato, green onion, red and green bell pepper, a little bit of lime right here, and this is the butter. This is some compound butter that I made. That's 1 stick of butter. You know what? I'll have everything in the description, but threw some chipotle peppers in there and some other stuff. Everything's gonna be in the description. And we're gonna be using a little bit of tequila with this. So let's get it going. Got the griddle nice and hot. I'm only using my right 2 burners. These 2 are off because I'm gonna be moving some stuff over. So let's go ahead and start on these veggies. We're at 400 degrees. Want to get it nice and hot for this dish. Oh yeah. Yeah, hear that sizzle. You got the red and green pepper and the green onions. We're gonna put all that stuff in first. Uh-oh, thumb got stuck. All right, there we go. Let's get these going, and then we're gonna put that shrimp on in just a hot second too. It's not gonna take long to do this dish. It's a great, quick, easy dish. I mean, you're definitely gonna spend more time prepping it than making it. All right, so let's just give them a hot second, and then we'll be putting the shrimp on. So the veggies have been on for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes or so. I'm just gonna turn them up. All right, there's no caramelization going on yet, so that's all right, that's good, that's what I want. All right, now I'm just gonna move the veggies over here to the side. There we go. Let's get this a little bit more oil right here where I had all the veggies. Want to make sure it's nice and slick for this, the shrimp. All right. Let's see what temp we're on. I want to stay in the 400 range, so yeah, we're good. All right, let's put the shrimp on. Boom. I'm just gonna push these around. I want it all to be touching the griddle. All right, move it around, just make sure everything's touching the griddle. Full contact. Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah. There we go. All right, and I'm just gonna let these things cook up for like a minute. And then I'm gonna add everything, mix it up, and the fun starts. The shrimp have been on there for about 1 minute now, so all I'm gonna do is turn them up. There we go. Oh yeah, we got some real nice color going on. Oh, baby. Yes, this is what I'm talking about, guys. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and just add the veggies to the operation here. All right, come join the party. Turn it up again, mix it all up nice and good. All right. All right, boom. Now I'm just gonna get everything kind of flat again. And all right, so we're about to put in the tequila. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. Got my little torch going. We're gonna light this stuff up, and it's gonna be amazing. So now we burned all that tequila off. We got a nice little a sear on this stuff. I mean, not the whole thing, because it's normally when I cook something like this, it's in a pan, so it's, you know, concealed. So the tequila wanted to run away and all that stuff, but we got an okay sear on it. Definitely. Now, one of the best parts about this dish right here is the compound butter. This stuff is so good. All right. I'm just gonna throw some of this right on here. Boom. We're just gonna let that stuff cook up in there. We're gonna put a little bit more lime juice, because I put lime in the compound butter along with the chipotle, peppers and cilantro, salt, pepper, and yeah, all that stuff is in the description below. All right, so now we're just gonna turn up this butter, and then it's time to chow. All right, guys, I'm ready to dish this up. I put the tomatoes in at the very end because I don't want them to get all soggy. I don't like them like that. So I'm gonna dish this stuff up and we're gonna give it a try. So that was that. I mean, the entire cook time, I don't know, was maybe 5 to 10 minutes, in that range. So now I'm gonna just dress it up, put a little cilantro on top, a little bit. We used our food processor, and I'd much rather use a knife. So I'll do that next time, but did the job. Get a little bit on there. All right. Let's give this a try. All right, let's dive in. Oh yeah. That is good. It's supposed to be 4 people eating this. I don't know about all that. That tomato and cilantro gives it like a pico de gallo type taste. It's so good. Shrimp is perfect. I can taste the chili pepper, or the, not chili pepper, the chipotle pepper. I can taste it, but it's not spicy at all. People that are eating don't want spicy stuff, so I got a pepper for me, don't worry about that. But man, this is serious. This is really, really good. I mean, so many good flavors. Good crunch on the veggies. I don't know, man. This might be up there in the top 5 range. Wait till you try this, dear. All right, well, I'm gonna get in and eat some dinner, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me if you like what you see. We are giving a griddle away. 3,000 subscribers. I just crossed over 2,000, I think, last night. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.